of the engineers team. I'm Carlos and I'm industrial engineer. I'm Fabian and I'm studying engineer in telecommunications and electronics.
I'm Sergio and I'm telecommunication and electronics engineer.
Why did you choose your career?
I chose the career of telecommunications and electronics because since when I was a child, this career caught my attention because my father did many things about this career. First of all, I chose an engineering career because I like math. At first, I couldn't make my mind between mechatronic and industrial engineer. It said to me they were very interesting, but finally I made the decision and I chose industrial engineer. I chose that one because I like different processes and I really enjoy thinking a way to improve things and getting the highest quality of them. I choose the engineering in telecommunication and electronics because I was very interested about all electronic devices. I want to know this function and I want to learn to create that.
In current laboral situation.
Well, depends on occasions, but according to many people, it's easier to find work because not many people study engineering because many people are afraid to the mathematics. Nowadays, industrial engineers, laboral situation is good. There are many jobs, but unfortunately, they are not well paid, so most of the time industrial engineers look for other options. On the other hand, industrial engineers can work in many areas of any company, so they have a lot of opportunities.
Today, many companies have to necessary to engineers. All companies need communication for that are the engineering in telecommunication to provide the communication inside the companies. Working competitive profile.
Well, the electronics are integrated in most activities of modern society because it contributes to optimize industrial process, provides links of communication, and allows better standard of living as very important. Allows you to work in companies, networking office, business. We are able to design circuits implementing electrical, analog, or digital systems. I like the career because it's the future of the humans and benefits and makes the life more easier and better. It requires some skills to study industrial engineering. You must have to be able to develop logic skills that will help you in occupation with involved solving mathematical problems and developing arguments. You must learn to be patient and you always have to see problems from a number of different points of view in order to create a better solution, finally. Finally, like a good engineer, you must have to learn to stimulate your imagination. If you use your imagination the right way, you will find out nothing is impossible.
Well, depends in the branch I choose, telecommunication or electronic. In the both, I need experience in the laboral field. In the first, I need to know to configure networks. In the second, I need to know the function to the electronic components. Place and company where you would like to work and why.
I like to finish the career to find a job in an industry. From another round, turn and take more time in study. After that, well, I would like the own business or to devote more to research my project. Well, I would like to start working for a company like Pemex because it offers a lot of benefits and a good salary. Besides, Pemex has a big opportunity to grow as a company. After working for a company like Pemex, I would like to start for my own business and make it a big company, apply everything I learned. That's my career goal.
I really want to work in an electronic company like Electronic or JU, in which I can perform the electronic and the telecommunication, make different the electronic device, and create networks to facilitate communication in the company. What you have to do to be competitive in your career?
To be competitive in my career, has to be very prepared. Have to choose to find a good company. I have confidence and to know that has the knowledge to work anywhere because it's the branch of the career of technology. I need to require it to save my very often because the career has a lot of progress and continuity. Well, to be competitive in my career, like I mentioned before, you must be clever and you must develop logic skills to find a better solution. And the most important thing, you must free your imagination because the imagination is more powerful than the knowledge.
Well, first I need to be prepared and I need to give the information to the need updates to the actual devices like routers, switches, electronic components, etc. If all of our presentation